So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get promo points on your 1xBet account. You open your 1xBet app, scroll down and click on promo codes. When you click on promo codes, as you can see, we have 0 promo points. So to get more promo points, we go back and click on the settings button. When you click on the settings button, scroll to the bottom line and then click on log out of account. Then you click on log out. When you log out, you click on the big green register button above. When you click on that, on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. And when you're done inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit. Okay. You now click on register. When you click on register, you wait for a moment and then you may be asked to input a verification code, which may come in different forms. So when you're done inputting your verification code, you click on next. And when you click on next, we're done, and you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit on your 1xBet account.